Hello everyone, Portugal is a very charming country that I associate with beautiful beaches, smiling friendly people, port wine and also football player Cristiano Ronaldo. I never associated this country with the knives before, but when I acquainted with the offer of folding knives of ICEL company, I decided to talk about them. Except for pocket knives, they have a wide choice of professional kitchen knives, kitchen accessories and catering offer. Today I would like to compare and discuss two models of aforementioned ICEL company. They have a wide offer in addition to the sizes and colors of that type of knives. The first one is a classic pocket knife. Total length is 50.5 centimeters, blade length is 6.5 centimeters, thickness is 2 millimeters. Blade quite typical for that type of knives, full flat grind. The ring gives a possibility to attach a chain, paracord, or just decorate the knife as you like. Handle is a plastic in every color. The second one resembles a French Laguiole knives. Total length is 17 centimeters, blade length is 7.5 centimeters, thickness is 2 millimeters, handle in red color. Both of them are made of X50 CRMUFI 15. It's a stainless steel tempered to 56 HRC. On the blades you can see ICEL inox Portugal. Ferrules and rivets are made of stainless steel. Lock. In both knives it's a classic slip joint. In summary, nice, cheap and quite solid. There is no simpler folding knife than slip joint. It's very easy to keep them clean. Both of them are fully stainless. Knives work smooth, not too light, not too heavy. High quality and performance, everything fits well. No blade play. Perfect for mushrooms, anglers, for EDC, for opening packages, letters and another light duties. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.